Here's a demonstration choosing 3 of the words that we just talked about and using the memory connection strategy. I would have the students write the term with me, so you are going to do this as I do it. The first word that we're going to talk about is Dolores, and to me that term looks like the name Dolores. So we're going to use it as Dolores, and we're going to draw a simple picture. Of Dolores, and she's very sad because the definition is mournful or sad. So Dolores probably had to go to the cemetery, so you can draw a picture of a tombstone, or if you wanted to draw a picture of a cross. She's mournful and sad, and to show your students that it looks like Dolores, but you really pronounce this word Dolores, we're going to draw dollar signs on her hair so they have the correct pronunciation. So Dolores is mournful or sad. The next one that we are going to do is Alexander Palmer, and his is a very easy one to do because the drawing is right in his name. So Alexander Palmer, the palm is what we're going to key in on. He was an attorney general, who took action against the Red Scare. And these were called Palmer raids. So that's your definition. The drawing that's going to go with this, oops, is a very simple hand. Okay. We're going to focus on the palm of the hand, and Alexander had trouble remembering what his job was, so he had to go and get a tattoo. Kids like it when you talk about tattoos for some reason. So he got a tattoo that said he was the Attorney General. Now, to remember that Alexander Palmer was part of the Red Scare, we're going to color the palm of his hand red. And we're going to say that this was called the Palmer raids. Alexander Palmer, Attorney General. Okay? And the last drawing that we're going to do is about Sacco and Vanzetti. And by just saying Vanzetti, you know that it's an Italian name, and they were Italian immigrants. So we're going to say Sacco and Vanzetti were Italian immigrants who were tried, convicted, and put to death over the crimes of robbery and murder. And it was never really proven that they convicted or they were guilty of this crime. So they were probably not guilty. Okay, so we're going to draw for Sacco. We're going to draw like a bag, like a brown paper bag, just a little sack, and put his name on there because this was Sacco. And we're going to draw this little van here. And this is going to be labeled Vanzetti, okay? Now, kids like gross things, so kind of have to be careful what you say, but you could get them to remember this by saying that when they were put to death, we're not really sure how they died, but they could have maybe had some body parts in the sacco, and it was taken into the Vanzetti and driven away. And so that the kids connect the Red Scare with the Vanzetti, you can color the van in red if you would like, or you could write Red Scare on the wheels. So hopefully these pictures will help you remember those terms when you try to recall them the next time.